Hello everyone, I hope you're well and welcome to this week's video where we cover the topic of should you babysit an ill child. Now in this video I will cover some points to consider, and if you agree to go ahead and babysit the ill child, I will discuss what things you need to consider when looking after that ill child. So the answer to should I babysit an ill child in short is that it actually depends. First of all, it depends on the type of illness. Now, if the child has a non-contagious illness, such as an ear infection or a migraine, then looking after the child should not be a problem at all. However, if the child has got a contagious illness, such as pneumonia or coronavirus or another type of viral condition, in other words, anything that is spread via the air or close contact, then we recommend not to offer your services to parents. This is mainly because the likelihood of you contracting the illness is very high, which in turn will result in you having time off work yourself and therefore not earn any money yourself. Secondly, it depends on the situation. If a parent is in a desperate situation, such as they have a work presentation that they have to give, or they themselves have to attend a hospital appointment that they've been waiting forever for, or the parents have got a significant life event that they have to attend, such as a wedding or a funeral, and their child is ill with a contagious disease or contagious illness, then offering to help to look after these parents will help them out tremendously, but you would need to consider this yourself. Remember, it might come with some risks to yourself a few days later, but judge the situation based on how well you know the family and what they require of you during the booking. Thirdly, it depends on payment. If parents are not able to take time off work to look after their ill child, and they understand that the chances of you contracting the illness are high if you agree to look after their child, then agreeing a higher hourly rate of pay, which in turn will cover your loss of earnings if you do get ill yourself, might sway you into looking after their children. This is also a really risky option, so make sure you look at your hourly charge and make sure that it reflects the earnings that you could lose for not working for the rest of the week. Okay, so you've now agreed to babysit an ill child. What happens now? So when a child is unwell, try and stick to their normal routine as much as possible, but also know when to give in and let them eat what they like or sleep when they want to sleep. An ill baby should be with you all the time, and an ill child will likely just feel more comfortable tucked up on the sofa with the TV on and you just nearby rather than being in a bed in their bedroom on their own. So here are a few things to consider doing when looking after an ill child. You should keep the room airy, so usually at about 18 degrees, but not too drafty. Secondly, keep them in comfortable clothing. All they want to be is in their pajamas. Give them lots of fluids to drink and food only if they want to eat. Monitor how much fluid is drunk to prevent the child from getting dehydrated. A child can go a few days without eating, but not very many days without fluid. Fourthly, keep them occupied with simple, low-energy games and activities such as puzzles or card games or reading lots and lots of books. Fifthly, let the child nap when they want to nap. Be totally led by how they feel. Also, keep everything clean with antibacterial spray and protect yourself by wearing a mask and some gloves. And regularly check the child's temperature, but do not give any medication to the child unless the parents have given you express permission to do so, including the dosage to administer. Also, keep the parents informed throughout the day of their child's condition. Have any emergency numbers on hand to call if you need to. Childhood illnesses are really common in young children, and most of the time, children just need some comfort and some rest. But if you are worried that the child that you are looking after is becoming more and more unwell during your booking, then trust your instincts and seek medical help, obviously with the parent's permission. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope that it has given you a few points to consider before accepting or declining to work for a family with a child that is ill. If you've enjoyed watching this video, please do subscribe to this channel or follow us on our other social media channels of Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok. I look forward to seeing you in our next video, but until then, have a great week. Bye-bye.